Hello everyone, it's me Rahamida Safinatun Najah as a student of Mathematics Education at Islamic University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. In this video, I will explain the matrices material related to the determinant of the matrices 2 times 2. Are you curious? Stay tuned and watch this video. What are matrices? The definition of matrices. Matrices are numbers arranged in rows and columns in the form of rectangles or squares. For example, is a matrix with order of 2 times 2 with elements A, B, C, D. So, which is the row and which is the column? Rows go left to right, columns go up to down. In this example, A and B is the element of first row, C and D is the element of second row, A and C is the element of first column, B and D is the element of second column. What is a determinant? In the field of linear algebra, the determinant is the value that can be calculated from the elements of a square matrices. Matrices determinant notation as follows. How to determine the determinant of matrices 2 times 2? To solve this problem, there are 4 steps to determine the determinant of the 2 times 2 matrices. First, check that the columns and rows of the 2 times 2 matrices have the same number of columns and rows as 2. Second, once we know that it is a 2 times 2 matrix, we must know the first and second diagonals first. Third, multiply the first diagonal and multiply the second diagonal. Fourth, the first diagonal minus the second diagonal. In the new school year, Anas represented some of his friends to buy 5 math books and 4 biology books. He had to pay 410,000. At the same time, Samad represented his other friends to buy 10 math books and 6 biology books. He had to pay 740,000 for everything. How from this problem can be matrices? First, let's say M for a math book, B for a biology book. Second of the problem in the story that says Anas represented some of his friends to buy 5 math books and 4 biology books. He had to pay 410,000. We can write 5M plus 4B equals by 410,000. Third, then we notice the continuation of this problem that says Samad represented his other friends to buy 10 math books and 6 biology books. He had to pay 740,000 for everything. Can be written 10M plus 6B equals by 740,000. Fourth, from what we have for example, can be made in the form of a matrices, like the following. Fifth, find the first diagonal and the second diagonal. 5 and 6 is the element of first diagonal. 4 and 10 is the element of second diagonal. 6. Then we multiply between the elements on the first diagonal and we multiply between the elements on the second diagonal. We know the first diagonal 5 and 6, also the second diagonal 4 and 10. Then multiply between the first diagonal and the second diagonal. For the first diagonal, 5 times 6 equals by 30. For the second diagonal, 4 times 10 equals by 40. 7. The first diagonal minus the second diagonal. After getting the first diagonal is 30, the second diagonal is 40. Then the first diagonal minus second diagonal is 30 minus 40 equals by negative 10. So we get the discriminant negative 10. Then we look for discriminants for mathematics books and biology books. To look for discrimination M, that is total price with second column, by using the same way option, for first diagonal 6 times 410,000 equals by 2,460,000. For second diagonal 4 times 740,000 equals by 2,960,000. Then the first diagonal minus the second diagonal. 2,460,000 minus 2,960,000 equals by negative 500,000. To look for discrimination B, that is first column with total price, by using the same way option, for first diagonal 5 times 740,000 equals by 3,700,000. For second diagonal, 410,000 times 10 equals by 4,100,000. Then the first diagonal minus the second diagonal. 3,700,000 minus 4,100,000 equals by negative 400,000. Based on mathematical law, M can be calculated by dividing discriminant M and discriminant. We get negative 500,000 divided by negative 10 equals by 50,000. Then B can be calculated by dividing discriminant B and discriminant. We get negative 400,000 divided by negative 10 equals by 40,000. So math book got 50,000 and biology book got 40,000. That's all from me. I hope this video you can understand about the determinant of matrices 2 times 2. Thanks for watching and see you.